केस में जब आप खुद बाहर से पढ़ कर आई हैं, व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू कि नहीं मैंने अपने बच्चों को स्कूल नहीं भेजना और मैं उनको अनस्कूलिंग करूँगी?
जब मैं स्कूल में थी एंड इट वाज हमारी बहुत अच्छी इन्वायरमेंट थी, वो वाली फितने नहीं थे जो अब आजकल के वो हैं, सो इट वाज वेरी क्लीन.
पहले तो आप ये बताएं अनस्कूलिंग होती क्या है फॉर समबडी हु इज न्यू टू दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, बिकॉज होम स्कूलिंग अनस्कूलिंग पीपल आर रियली कंफ्यूज्ड कि क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली.
The reason I use the word unschooling is because I want people to know that this is not school replicated at home.
क्योंकि बच्चे एक आई विल कॉल इट खोता रेस उसमें लगे हुए हैं कि स्कूल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी और उसके बीच में फिर वो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर भी अगर कर रहे हैं, फिर बाकी चीज़ों में भी पढ़ रहे हैं और आईपैड्स और उन चीज़ों में वक्त इतना ज़ाया हो रहा है कि उनका वो फेज़ ही नहीं आता टू एक्सप्लोर देमसेल्व्स.
But we don't listen to ourselves. हम लोगों की बातें सुन रहे हैं, गाइडेंस उनसे ले रहे हैं, but I think it does need to start internally.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Chai Chat with Iram Rahman. Today we have another amazing guest with us. हम उनके बारे में, मैंने ये नई चीज़ शुरू की है वैसे कि मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कराने के बजाय मैं कोशिश ये करती हूँ कि गेस्ट खुद ही अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करें ताकि आप लोगों का एक वन ऑन वन थोड़ा सा कनेक्शन बन जाए. सो आज की जो एपिसोड है वो है फातिमा असद के साथ. फातिमा कौन है वो आपको वो खुद बताएंगी. सो अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. I hate that question by the way.
So who is फातिमा असद, यानी कि आपकी क्या जर्नी है, आपने क्या पढ़ा, आप पाकिस्तान से ही हैं या पाकिस्तान मूव हुई, और फिर विल कम टू द अनस्कूलिंग पार्ट.
Yeah, so it's, first of all, Iram, thank you so much for inviting me. MashaAllah, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हैं, and I hope it reaches more and more people. So me being here is more of like, I guess, a friend, because I don't consider myself, आपने MashaAllah ऐसे guest बुलाए that I am nowhere in their level. So we're just here, two moms together, just have a conversation. That's my intention. So मेरा बैकग्राउंड ये है कि yes, I'm 100% पाकिस्तानी, like ethnically अम्मा अब्बा पाकिस्तानी है, मैं भी पाकिस्तानी हूँ. I was born in Islamabad. इधर G7 में मैं पैदा हुई थी, and my first 8 years were in Islamabad. Then we moved, we immigrated to America. So from like ages 8 to like, I guess like in my 20s, I was in America. We were in New Jersey. My family settled there, and so started padhai, elementary school, middle school, college. It was in New Jersey, and then बस फिर अल्लाह ताला मुझे यहाँ पे ले आए, शादी हो गई. शादी was a big turning point. That is the reason I came to Pakistan and settled here, and that was about 15 years ago.
Okay.
So that's who I am. I think अक्सर मुझे क्वेश्चन मिलते हैं, people are really confused because एक दिन मैं I'm like in a t-shirt and the next day I'm like with this Arabi style abaya. You can see the influences of like all of these people who I grew up with. So I just like, एक बंदी ने मुझे कहा कि you're very confusing. I'm like, oh, I take that as a compliment.
Yeah, why not?
Right?
Cool. So Fatima Asad जो है, she has her own podcast with the name of Barefoot Unschoolers. और जो मैंने बड़े शौक से एक एपिसोड बड़े मज़े से एंजॉय किया, इट्स ऑन अनस्कूलिंग. आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग कंटेंट रिसेंटली ऑन अनस्कूलिंग. मैंने 1 साल पहले अपने बच्चों को स्कूल से निकलवा कर अनस्कूलिंग का डिसीजन लिया है, और उस वक्त से मैं ढूंढ रही होती हूँ कंटेंट और चीज़ें टू कीप मी इंस्पायर्ड, ताकि मैं आगे ये इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सकूँ. सो आज का जो हमारा मकसद था फातिमा को बुलाने का, एक तो ये कि आई कैन लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम हर. शी हैज़ माशाल्लाह काफ़ी सालों का एक्सपीरियंस. तो आप सबसे पहले हमें ये बताएं कि आपकी क्या इंस्पिरेशन थी, बिकॉज यू वेंट टू स्कूल, यू वेंट टू कॉलेज, यू वेंट टू यूनिवर्सिटी. सो व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू कि नहीं मैंने, एंड यू वर रेज्ड इन अब्रॉड, जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत ही एक अजीम बात है कि बच्चा बाहर पढ़ने चला जाए, ठीक है. तो उस केस में जब आप खुद बाहर से पढ़ कर आई हैं, व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू कि नहीं मैंने अपने बच्चों को स्कूल नहीं भेजना और मैं उनको अनस्कूलिंग करूँगी. पहले तो आप ये बताएं अनस्कूलिंग होती क्या है फॉर समबडी हु इज़ न्यू टू दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, बिकॉज होम स्कूलिंग अनस्कूलिंग पीपल आर रियली कंफ्यूज्ड कि क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah, no, I really appreciate the question. So unschooling हम आते हैं. I'll give you my background, the inspiration first, right? So I went through, जो मेरी schooling थी ना, I loved it. I had a wonderful experience. The teachers were amazing. The curriculum was amazing. I was learning in one of the best towns in America, so blessing upon blessing. मेरे friends अच्छे थे, environment अच्छी थी. अब्बू ने वही town इसीलिए choose किया था.
Especially for
For the school system, you know. So he did what he thought was best at the time, and I'm so thankful to him. You know, अब जाके एक time आते you're like, oh my gosh, parents, how do they do it, right? But so okay, having said that, when I became pregnant with my first daughter, and she's a teenager now, she's 14 now. So when I became pregnant with her, I started questioning, you know. So I feel like it's because of जो मेरी schooling थी ना, जो मेरा curriculum था, teachers थे, it was a traditional schooling system, grade levels, tests and everything. But that particular school had a culture of, you know, questioning. So that was really good, right? To question everything, question systems, question your teachers. हमारे teachers friends की तरह होते थे, conversations होती थी, you know. So I think that gave me the confidence to stop, pause, and be like, is this the best system for my daughter, right? So I just, actually, when I was pregnant, I started reading about just child development. कि भाई करना क्या है बच्चे होने वाले, like what am I supposed to do? Am I going to be a good mom or something, right? Like I hope I don't screw up, right? So all of these fears that come with becoming a new parent. And all of the things that उस वक्त I was very critical of the way I was raised, right? Or people around me. I'm like, जो अम्मा बने कि वो नहीं करना.
Exactly.
Right? So, and I didn't know what it was, but it just felt like there has to be a different way. So उसमें बस research की इस तरह शुरू हुई. फिर education को तो उसमें मेरा भी it wasn't on my radar कि school भी है और all of that. I wasn't one of those people. I know अब होते हैं कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो like pregnancy में ही wait list कर देते हैं schools में, right? Which is insane, by the way. That's not normal. Don't do that. Okay. But yeah, so I wasn't like school तो मेरे ज़हन में भी नहीं था. Education, it was way, I was like way in the distant. But तो खैर उससे one thing leads to another. You know, once you start researching anything, one thing leads to another, right? तो उसके बाद basically fast forward a little bit, Hava is now like preschool age. अब उसमें मुझे I think I'm visiting my parents and मुझे थोड़ी anxiety हो रही है because I have other friends who are in the similar position. उनके बच्चे तो preschool में हैं, daycare में हैं. I'm like, oh, am I doing something wrong? So I start, you know, going on orientations. मैं ये भी सोच रही हूँ कि नहीं मुझे शायद नहीं अमेरिका की बात कर रही हूँ. Like I'm just visiting my parents. और अब मुझे एक वो FOMO हो रहा है.
मैं गलत तो नहीं कर रही, लेट तो नहीं हो गई.
हाँ, exactly, you know, because पाकिस्तान में आप देखें उस टाइम पे this like what like 50 this ये like 12-13 साल पहले की बात है. उस वक्त नहीं थे resources. ये जो हमें अब resources और internet ये I feel like पिछले 6 साल में बहुत shoot up हुए हैं. पर उस वक्त कुछ भी नहीं था, right? So libraries, books, like and they were just I didn't even know how to find these things in Islamabad, right? कोई library, central library नहीं थी जिधर जाके आप सारे सवाल पूछने किसी से. I didn't know anyone else around me, like even cousins. I was like one of the, you know, I'm like the big bajis, So I was the first one to be a mom among the cousins. So बस ये चीज़ थी. So I went, yes, I'm in America. I was like 2 years old, and I am trying to find, you know, I'm going on orientations for daycares. And मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मुझे अमेरिका मूव होना होगा एजुकेशन के लिए, पढ़ाई के लिए इसकी, you know, so I'm getting sucked into that.
And like you're clueless, you don't know like where to go and क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना.
And you know, you do think that these are professionals. इनको पता है हमें इनकी बात माननी चाहिए, right? अब ये कह रहे हैं तो कोई गोरा कह रहा है especially, फिर तो ये सच ही होगा, right? That's our colonized mindset. So basically, you know, orientation में तो आप बहुत impressed होते हैं, you know.
Wow, amazing. Like ये हम cognitive वो करवाएंगे, ये motor skills होगी ये वो. So you're like, wow, sold.
Exactly.
जितने पैसे मांग रहे दे दो.
हाँ, exactly. And I was at that point I was like, oh, should I go back to school? Should I start working? How am I going to afford this, right?
Yes, and this too, like, कि mothers they come under the pressure of कि to afford this, I have to get back to work because how will I afford this? And this is what's happening कि बच्चे को आपने स्कूल में करा दिया, माँ भी काम कर रही है, बाप भी काम कर रहे हैं. And like जो best चीज़ थी वो हर कोई उससे महरूम है.
Exactly. So you know what? I ended up putting her in a daycare for like 2 hours, just 2 hours. हम सिर्फ महीने के लिए गए हुए थे. I was like, let me try it out, and I remember it was a Christian daycare, so for me it was like, oh, chalo ko thodi dua shua ho jayegi, you know. So it was important for me to have it like a religious environment. And then she goes there, and the first day she's there, I've never seen her cry like that. I'm leaving. I'm like, oh, bye-bye. The way, like, it's somebody's, like, I don't know, like, जैसे कोई से मार रहा है, like, उसके होता है बिल्कुल बच्चे जो डूब जाता है रोने में, सांस भी नहीं आ रहा. That was painful. And I left, and the teacher's like, कोई बात नहीं, no, just leave her, it's fine,
my
whatever.
God.
Okay,
it
I
takes
leave.
me back to that thing कि
Yeah.
इतनी बुरी तरह मैंने 2.5 साल तक अपने बेटे को रोते हुए नहीं देखा. And they tell you it's okay, it's normal.
Yeah.
He's going to be fine in a minute. He's going to be
Yeah.
fine. And I remember उस कमरे में कैमरा लगा हुआ था. Like मुझे I could see him on the screen. And I बिलक रहा था वो रो कर. And we've somehow normalized it कि नहीं छोड़ के चले जाओ वो ठीक हो जाएगा.
Yeah, I think at that point I was like, I broke down in my car. I was like, I think it happened like 3 days. By third day, I was like, this is not normal. Like something inside me was just like, red alert, right? Ye normal nahi ho sakta. And then I remember going to my friend's house. She's a Muslim, and uski beti bhi is age ki thi. And I go to her house, and wo gareebi thi na uske daycare ke. And I see her like just with her daughter. So they were a homeschooling family. And I break down. I'm like, Ivana, what am I doing? What's happening, right? And then she's like, take her out. Just bring her here. We'll play together. You know, उसने कोई मुझे lecture नहीं दिया, कुछ नहीं दिया. She was like, just bring her out. I'm like, okay. You know,
Like,
so...
And that moment you needed that.
Yeah, so I pull her out. I think she went for like a week to that daycare. And then I bring her to Ivana's house, and साथ मिलके बच्चे वो worksheets भी कर रहे हैं, Play-Doh खेल रहे हैं, you know, all the preschool stuff you do. And that I was like, whoa, this is so different. This feels so natural. अपने बच्चे, because I realized I do not want to be away from my child. You know, I just had this pull. I was like, why is that lady getting the privilege of spending her time with my daughter? It doesn't make sense to me. You know, so I was like, that's my daughter. Like, मुझे वो jealousy feel हो रही थी, वो गैरत, I guess, you know, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so I just, I felt like it's so important to listen to the compass that Allah has put inside of us. You know, आपके अंदर एक compass है, आपके दिल में, आपकी रूह में, अल्लाह ताला ने आपको वो फितरत पे रखा हुआ है, you know. But we don't listen to ourselves. You know, हम लोग लोगों की बातें सुन रहे हैं, guidance उनसे ले रहे हैं, but I think it does need to start internally.
और इतना हमने उस सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना दिया. लाइक यू नो आई रिमेंबर कि उसी स्क्रीन को देखकर आई एम लुकिंग एट माई हस्बैंड कि व्हाट इज़ गोइंग एंड ही इज़ लाइक कि वो ठीक हो जाएगा. शुरू में ऐसा ही होता है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ही इज़ फ्रॉम अ यू नो स्कूलिंग बैकग्राउंड, आई एम फ्रॉम अ स्कूल एंड वी हैड नो आइडिया अबाउट एनी ऑल्टरनेट वे कि कुछ अनस्कूलिंग या होम स्कूलिंग टाइप चीज़ भी होती है. बिकॉज अगर मुझे पता होता एज यूर मैंशनिंग कि यू नो यू वर अ सीकर सिंस यू बिकेम, आई वॉज द सेम कि अच्छा बच्चा होना है तो किस तरह पेरेंट करना है, क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. सो ये दो चीज़ें मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़रूरी है. एक तो ये कि आप सीकर बन जाएं कि मुझे जहाँ से जो सीखने को मिलेगा, बिकॉज एक दफ़ा आप वो बन गए ना, फिर आप अपने हर फेज़ में सीखते चले जाते हैं. वही जब प्री स्कूलिंग किए जाए या जो भी आए. सो दिस इंस्पायर्ड यू टू कि ओके देयर इज एन ऑल्टरनेट वे.
Yes. So I'll get back to that, but I just want to say आपने बड़ी अच्छी बात की है that you know it's like a, you know, I think I want to talk to our Pakistani folks. जो हमारे कौम है, हमारा कल्चर है. हम लोग ना बहुत bare minimum पे खुश हो जाते हैं. We are happy with being average, and that's a problem. You know, even as a Muslim, आपको you have to become a person of ihsan, right? That means कि ये पूछना कि इससे बेहतर, like what's the next level, level 2, level 3, you know, इस पे आगे अब आगे क्या करना है, इससे बेहतर way of living क्या है, right? So for example, when it comes to joint family, when it comes to you know खाना किस तरह serve करना है, when it comes to you know even our celebrations, right, or our cultural norms, हम लोग ये पूछते नहीं है कि इससे बेहतर कोई तरीका है कि नहीं, right?
आई थिंक हमारे लिए अपग्रेड का मकसद और मकसद और मतलब ये बन गया है कि हमने फाइनेंशियली कि यू नो इन आवर कार्स, इन आवर होम्स, इन द डेकोरेशंस. और ये जो आपने एहसान की बात की, इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल कि इट डजंट हैव टू बी मटीरियलिस्टिक. योर अपग्रेड्स कैन बी मेंटल एंड यू नो इट कैन बी बहुत सारे और लेवल्स हैं अपग्रेड्स के अगर आप फाइनेंसेस से हट कर सोचें तो.
Exactly. And you know, I just also I feel like अगर आप अपने आप को मुसलमान कह रहे हैं, do you not like कब्र को कैसे आप इग्नोर कर सकते हैं? I'm sorry, it's like you know when it comes to just hardcore materialistic obsession, मुझे ये समझ नहीं आती. I feel like you know I feel so old in my 30s. I'm like हाय मुझे तो हिकमत नहीं है, like हाय बस कब्र आने वाली, you know. But
बिल्कुल,
it's not to panic anyone, but like you know that's supposed to keep us grounded.
Yeah.
कि भाई आपने सोचना है कि आपकी दुनियावी सक्सेस इज लिमिटेड, यू कैन नॉट टेक इट विद यू, दैट्स द थिंग, you know. But so that I think has been the reason I mentioned this concept of ihsan is because I feel like that's always been part of how or why I do things, right? Because I had teachers बहुत early on. I was really blessed to have some Sunday school teachers who just really emphasize this concept of ihsan. You know, better se better banna hai aapko, right? So yeah, so going back to that, फिर उधर से मुझे इवाना से जो मेरी फ्रेंड है उनसे समझ आई, मुझे पता चला होम स्कूलिंग भी कोई चीज़ होती है, right? And then I remembered something clicked in my mind when I used to be in middle school and high school, which was in America is from grades 5 to 8. तो उधर मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स होते थे, कुछ classmates, they would just disappear. Grade 5 से they would just, you know, their parents would pull them out of school, and then we would see them again in high school in 9th grade. And so that clicked. I was like, oh, that's when I heard the word homeschooling first. You know, so I actually went back to my classmates' mothers. So these were Christian mothers. I went back and उनसे मैंने interview किया, उनके घर पे गई. I remember, you know, them asking them. I was like, oh, like why did you homeschool? वो जो हम questions पूछते हैं, they were so nice. Like, see, like they were nice enough to say yes to me coming, yes to asking me questions, because they were like, whoa, someone wants to learn. So they were happy to spread that mission, right? For them, it was a very like spiritual mission, right? So basically वहाँ से मुझे समझ आया the reason those particular families pulled their kids out is because वहाँ पर भी, and now this is like like early 2000s, right? जब मैं स्कूल में थी, and it was you know, हमारी बहुत अच्छी environment थी, वो वाली फितने नहीं थे जो अब आजकल के वो हैं, you know, so it was very clean. And
तो it's very scary कि अपने बच्चों को स्कूल.
Yeah, so at that time they thought कि ये जो ये होते हैं ना these transformative years of a child, grades 5 to 8, उसमें किसी और का peer pressure पे ना आए, influence ना आए. So they took them out, they homeschooled them. That means कि ये mothers, they are pausing from life, they are not working. And these were very like professional women, you know, who had their own careers. They would pause out in families. एक बच्चे नहीं था, 7 बच्चे थे in these 2 cases. So it was very impressive for me, and I was like,
Amazing.
wow.
Yeah.
And you know, जब वे वापस आते थे ना, और अच्छा इन सालों में उन्होंने अपनी ना, जैसे हम कुरान स्टडी करते हैं, दीन से कहा थे, इन्होंने अपनी बाइबल स्टडी और क्रिश्चियनिटी पे बहुत फोकस किया. And then because schools are still secular there, right? यही तो एक, I guess it's a good thing as well, because anyone and everyone can come together and still be taught the same thing, and you're not, you know, any religion is not being shoved down your throat. So I do value that. But yeah, in high school, I would see these kids coming back. And I remember they had the best bonds with their family. You know, एक high school का बच्चा, लड़का, आपको अपने अब्बा को, you know, goodbye kiss कर रहा है. I'm like, what? That is something I want, you know. मुझे नहीं पता था कि what? Like, that's amazing.
It's like, you know, this is me sitting and, you know, talking, because you remember I came to that play date.
Yeah, absolutely.
That was my turning point. That completely changed my perspective. That this is what I want. The boys, you know, बड़े बच्चे, 13 साल के 14 साल के boys, they're helping young kids. Nobody has a phone. Nobody has an iPad. Everybody's just so involved in play and, you know, helping each other out, and everything, you know, mashallah was beautiful. और सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि I'm not sure if I can achieve that, but at least I'm trying. I want to try for that. I want to aim for that. अपना गोल तो इंसान वही हायर सेट करे, और उसके बाद मिले नहीं मिले वो अल्लाह की मर्जी है. बट मैंने स्कूल कल्चर में ये नहीं देखा. वही जो आप कह रहे हो ना कि एक हाई स्कूल का बच्चा, कोई शेम फील नहीं हो रहा, कोई peer pressure फील नहीं हो रहा कि ये मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे.
Exactly. And in fact those kids were some of the most popular kids. अगर हम वो से हाथ से देखें ना, hierarchy और popularity की वजह से, and I think that had to do with everybody kind of was jealous of what they had. You know, supportive parents, बहन भाई के साथ झगड़े नहीं हो रहे, you know, they're eating dinner together. So all of these things, I feel like internally everybody wants that. Everybody needs it, but we just don't know how
to achieve that. Because again, हमने वो वाला bare minimum को अपने लिए ओके कर दिया, और फिर हमने ये ऑप्शन ही निकाल दिया कि इससे बेहतर भी कुछ है, या इससे बेहतर भी हमें कुछ मिल सकता है. So coming to the question कि what is unschooling basically?
So okay, anyone who has homeschooled even for a year or is researching it, you will find out कि homeschool में बहुत से फ़िरके हैं, बहुत से groups हैं, schools of thoughts हैं, you know, so lots of those, right? Unschooling is just one of those. So the reason I use, जब आप homeschooling का सोचते हैं ना, a lot of people, especially if they're new to the concept, वो समझते हैं हम घर में आपने क्लासरूम बनाई हुई है, वही चीज़ आप replicate कर रहे हैं, right? वही books हैं, वही चीज़ें, बस फ़र्क ये है कि आप घर में कर रहे हैं, right? और जल्दी जल्दी कर रहे हैं, right? किसी rat race में लगे हुए हैं, which is actually okay. It's a okay enough reason. I do think schools waste a lot of time. जो चीज़ आप एक महीने में कर सकते हैं उस पर वो 6 महीने लगा देते हैं. But the reason I use the word unschooling is because I want people to know that this is not school replicated at home.
Oh.
Right? It is actually anti-school. जो school का system है उसके मैं deliberately उसके खिलाफ में जा रही हूँ. I do not want the, you know, वो जो एक routine है, वो school वाली timetable है, school वाली practice, school वाली कॉपियाँ हैं, all of those things.
But
right?
then how do you make them learn?
Yeah, so what that gives me, having that term, what that gives me, it gives me the freedom to literally design my own learning, our own routine, our own content, our own curriculum. And it is based on what my family needs or likes at that time. So it's very much बहुत एक customized चीज़ है, right? उसमें मेहनत भी ज़्यादा करनी पड़ती है आपको as a mother. You know?
But you know, for beginners, you know, who are listening to this and who want to replicate this, उनका एक ये सवाल आएगा, then how are you preparing them for the real world? How will they manage in, you know, वही वाली चीज़ कि आगे admissions कैसे होंगे, college में कैसे admission होगा, university में कैसे admission होगा.
Exactly. So I just want to make it clear, मैं सबको remind कर दूँ that school is not the real world.
Yeah.
So please understand this. जो school में socialization होती है, जो school में timetable है, that is not how life works. You know, so again हमने वो कर दिया ना, हम अपने आप को trust नहीं करते.
Yeah.
कि भाई किसी, I don't know, like I mean I know the history of schooling, but I highly encourage people to research this. आप किसी भी system को follow करते हैं, especially as a Muslim, I feel like हम पे एक extra obligation है. To follow the Sunnah of Ibrahim alayhi salam. He was the first critical thinker.
Yeah.
Right? He literally he questioned the system, he questioned his own father,
everything.
The entire town, right? So be a questioner, be a critical thinker. और किसी भी सिस्टम को फॉलो करने से पहले you have to do the research. Okay, but what's the origin? आजकल, you know, internet का ज़माना है, it's so easy. It's so easy, and the work has been done for you. I always recommend people who are interested in this, in finding out more, is John Taylor Gatto's book, Dumbing Us Down. It's a really easy read, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, and he was like a traditional teacher, award-winning teacher in New York. He's the one exposing, because अंदर से उन्होंने देखा हुआ सब कुछ.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah. So he tells you the entire history of schooling, and I think from there, even that is so powerful. I feel like if me, like you and I are two different individuals with two different families. आप उसमें कुछ और लेंगी, मैं उससे कुछ और निकालूंगी.
Yeah.
Our reflections, our actions are going to be completely different, right? So I think that's basically what I mean when I say I'm unschooling. It's like लोगों को मैं बता दूं कि I'm literally living life the way I think is best for my family at this time.
But like coming back to the question कि अगर like what's your vision for your kids? कि eventually what will they be doing? Like अगर आप learning system लेके चल रहे हो, that is best for you. It can be, you know, Quranic learning, it can be Sunnah, it can be other subjects also कि आप science करा रहे हो, आप arts करा रहे हो, जो भी आपको लगता है मेरे बच्चे का interest है और जो उसका comfort है और वो कितनी देर करना चाहता है. That is basically taking them in a direction that they want, and then also that you think is best for them. But eventually, what's your plan and what's your vision for your kids?
ये मेरा मसला है नहीं यार. That's the thing. You know, इतनी नहीं tension लेते. You asked me about my skincare routine. That is
the skincare routine.
That is the secret to my skincare, that I don't try to control things जिसमें मुझे पता है मेरा बस नहीं चलने वाला. You know, मैं क्यों अल्लाह ताला का मसला यार, it's not my मसला. You know, मेरा मसला ये है कि what things जिनके बारे में पूछोगी मुझसे is, hey, did I teach them about Allah? Did I teach them about the Prophet? Did I make them kind human beings? You know, did I, you know, like उनको मैंने physical development का ख्याल किया नहीं किया?
Independent बनाया.
Independent
learners बनाया.
Yes, exactly. So my role right now is not to baby and handicap my kids. हम लोग इतने disabled बच्चे वो कर रहे हैं ना raise. We are disabling them. And it's a crime. right? So for example, like if your kid is I don't know, at a certain age, again, there's different milestones and every family is different. But if they come to a certain age and they're capable, or they don't know how to make their bed, they don't know how to make
practical life skills
नहीं है. For example, school going बच्चों का आप देख लेना.
नहीं होते, बिल्कुल नहीं
उठते हैं, नाश्ता ready है, like why are they making their own breakfast?
No,
because they're so exhausted by the routine, right?
यही कि like eventually what's your plan जब वो college age में है तो फिर आप क्या कर रहे हैं? That's the number one question that I get कि eventually आपका क्या plan है?
पता है हमारा मसला क्या है? With us desis as well, मैं कोशिश करूँ उर्दू में ज़्यादा बोलूँ, वो इंग्लिश वो हो जाती है. Just I get this complaint a lot कि उर्दू में ज़्यादा बोलें. I'm very बदतमीज़ in Urdu, by the way, so I try. So that's it's like I feel like मैं बहुत बदतमीज़ी वाला लहजा बन जाता है मेरा, because I become so passionate. But I think it's we desis have a problem that हमें we want to control everyone, everyone and everything. Like हमारा बस चलता ना, हम हवा और दख्तों को भी इतना कंट्रोल करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Like please let go of that. अपनी कब्र की फिक्र करें खुदा के लिए. Like this is what it is. You will not be asked कि आपके बच्चे ने कौन सी डिग्री की है. That is not your problem.
लेकिन वो हमारा number one problem है. आप किसी भी औरत से मिलें, उसका number one concern ये है कि ये इस वक्त ये कर रहा है, इस वक्त ये कर रहा है, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर भी कर रहा है. सबसे बड़ा मसला हमारा ये है कि हमारे बच्चे की डिग्री क्या है, उसकी नौकरी क्या है, वो कितने कमा रहा है.
हाँ. अब देख लो, look at the problems. We have engineers who make the worst husbands. We have doctors who are abusers. There's like हम लोग इतने बड़े, मैं सिर्फ husbands की बात नहीं कर रही, औरतें भी, खवातीन भी. We have people who are bullies. I'm okay. I'm not going to use the bad language here.
You can.
But I'm like, God, what's that meme, right? So okay, no, I'll be canceled for this. But like, to hell with this, right? Like, to hell with your degrees. अब मसला देखें क्या हो रहा है. And by the way, another point which made me think about, okay, something's wrong with the system, is when I was, I had my cousins and everyone's graduating, family, friends, everything, right? बड़ी बड़ी अच्छी degrees, महंगी degrees की हैं. There's no jobs, okay? Jobs नहीं मिल रही. अच्छा, अब क्या करना है भाई? बस इंतज़ार करना है. this कोई networking कर रहा है, कोई बस अपना time pass कर रहा है, whatever, right? And I'm like, okay, then why did you, so there's something wrong. If you knew is ये degree करने से guaranteed job है, then like there's something wrong अगर आपको वो चीज़ वो guarantee नहीं
मिल रही.
Yeah. And then these people, I've seen, I mean, obviously मुझे अंदर के हालात का नहीं पता, but you know what, it shows. Some things show, right? These people with these fancy degrees, I can bet you, they have not opened up a single book in a decade or more.
God, yeah.
So ये वही लोग हैं who are now so easily getting sucked into the doom scrolling and the reels watching and all of those, because वो disciplining कायम हुआ, and you can see the kind of content they're consuming.
Yeah.
Right? Like, you can seek. If they were seekers, the word you used, right? You have to be a seeker.
Yeah.
These are just blind followers to a system.
And Fatima, I became this person after 10 years of graduating. I became a seeker of knowledge. And Allah Ta'ala ने मेरे अंदर शायद वो चीज़ मैं अपने बच्चों को एज अ गिफ्ट देखती हूँ, स्पेशली माई फर्स्ट बॉर्न. उसकी प्रेगनेंसी से बस कुछ चेंज होना शुरू हो गया. लाइक you can tell something is wrong but you don't know what is wrong. So I wanted to parent in a different way. और उस वक्त से जो मैंने करना शुरू किया है, I love learning. Like I can say that safely कि I love learning. I am a researcher. I'm a seeker of knowledge. और मुझे स्कूल में ये चीज़ें नहीं सिखाई गई. मैंने अपनी मेडिकल की बुक्स शायद दोबारा खोल के कभी नहीं देखी, जैसा कि आप कह रहे हो, बिकॉज आपको नफरत हो जाती है उन बुक्स से, उन चीज़ों से कि I don't want to see this again. कि बस डिग्री के लिए आप पढ़े होते हो ना, to get that piece of paper. And eventually we don't have jobs.
Yeah.
So what's the point? और अभी जो आपने पॉइंट किया था उससे मुझे एक और बात याद आई कि सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन जो हमने बनाई हुई है कि even if you get that job and even if you're rich and even if you have money and a big house and a big car, they're like really unhappy people and they have like really bad relationships because they don't have time to give to their families. आपने उस सुपरवाइजर की पोस्ट तक पहुंचने के लिए अपना सब कुछ सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया है. आपकी फैमिली लाइफ नहीं है, आपके बच्चों के साथ आपकी कोई बॉन्डिंग नहीं है. What's the point eventually?
Yeah, exactly. This is what I say, that आपने जो मुझसे पूछा ना कि what's my vision for my kids, okay? I have देखो you have to understand आप किस religion और किस system को आप follow कर रहे हैं, because you will always have, अगर आप किसी system को intentionally follow नहीं कर रहे तो आप फिर बस हर system को follow करेंगे, whatever is the trend,
Yeah.
right? So you will just become like sheep going whatever direction the herd goes, right? तो उसमें ये है that for me, you know, Islam is my system, my framework. उसमें मुझे definition of success मिल गई है, right? Someone who is able to attain Jannah, right? उसकी फिर criteria क्या है, right? Then you have that's already the curriculum has been given to us, right? उस पे आप focus करें, and then you know I hate this again. That's another discussion, but you know okay, let me not go there. एक और चीज खुल जाएगी. But
Fatma is constantly, you know,
yeah,
navigating.
I'm so sorry, you guys. You're gonna have such a hard time with the timestamps.
It's okay.
Yeah, so basically, it's about like आपको एक decide करना है कि which framework are you going to have. You have to have a framework. If you don't, you're going to follow anyone who comes along the way, right? And that's why we're so confused. अभी पिछले कुछ साल क्या था, you know, like for example, I'll give you an example. There's a lot of people, I saw some, you know, youngsters in the family sharing, you know, clip थी वो book पढ़ रहे हैं जी टोनी रॉबिन्सन की और मेल रॉबिन्स वगैरह की, जो you know, motivational speakers, all of that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, starting my new routine at 5 a.m. hiking. I'm like, भाई बेटा आपको ये already मिली हुई है ये 5 a.m. routine वाली हिसाब. Like, you know, you've learned that.
True.
Why does it have to take a gora to convince you to wake up for Fajr or at that time? You know? So I'm just saying, like, we have the knowledge. We are not convinced. हमें अपने आप में इतना confidence नहीं है, अपनी tradition में, अपनी ancestry में, अपने you know, background में, where we are from. You know, we don't know ourselves.
I think that's, you know, when the point when you start exploring yourself, your self identity, जो growing up आपका एक phase आना चाहिए, वो बहुत missing है, I think, हमारे culture में, क्योंकि बच्चे एक I will call it खोता रेस उसमें लगे हुए हैं कि स्कूल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी और उसके बीच में फिर वो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर भी अगर कर रहे हैं, फिर बाकी चीज़ों में भी पढ़ रहे हैं और iPads और उन चीज़ों में वक्त इतना ज़ाया हो रहा है कि उनका वो फेज़ ही नहीं आता टू एक्सप्लोर देमसेल्व्स. फिर जब कोई गोरा आके वो स्टैंप लगाता है आपके रिलीजन की किसी चीज़ के ऊपर कि 5 बजे उठ जाओ या रॉबिन शर्मा क्लब या जो कुछ भी, फिर वो हमें कूल लगता है. लाइक हम उसके बारे में पोस्ट कर सकते हैं बट हम ये नहीं पोस्ट कर सकते कि ओके आई एम वेकिंग अप फॉर फजर या आई एम डूइंग माय अस्कार. तो हमें आइडेंटिटी का मसला है, अपने रूट से मसला है, अपने बैकग्राउंड से मसला है.
Yeah, exactly.
कूल नहीं बन सकते वरना.
Yeah, exactly. So I think this is, you have to decide what you want in life. बच्चों की बात ही छोड़ दो. We are asking the wrong questions. अपनी फिक्र करो. If you are clear, I feel, you know, the best thing I want my kids to remember me as, right, is, oh my gosh, she was a critical thinker. She loved Allah. She wanted to make Allah happy. Beautiful. Right? And you know, ये तो सब हम तो बस बीच में ऐसे आ गए ना, because वो भी अल्लाह ने हमें भेजा. You know, like your mission, your goal needs to be Allah.
That you have to be focused on your journey from Allah to Allah.
Exactly, you know, so it's like, you know, हमने हर गलत बंदे को ना सेंटर में रखा हुआ है, right? And I feel like if you've been alive even for like 15 years on this earth, you know कि people disappoint.
Yeah.
You know, expectations हम रखते हैं गलत जगहों पे गलत लोगों से, and then we get disappointed for a reason, right? So I think what I would say is focus on yourself. That's what every self-help book at the end of the day, यही message है सबका. यही सारी TED Talks सबका यही मकसद है कि भाई अपने ऊपर अपनी ज़ात पे आप focus करें in the best way, because when you do that, it affects everyone around you.
और हमने उसको religion से बिल्कुल contradictory देखते हैं कि if somebody is focusing on themselves and improving themselves कि oh how selfish. Like हमारा religion में तो serving others है, हाँ serving others है, but don't be a doormat.
Yeah,
like,
we take things to extreme. You know, हमने self care भी extreme पे ले गए हैं. You know,
spas तक ले गए.
Yeah, I mean, you know, like I love a good, you know, spa day, right? I love that, but it's like, I don't know, like फिर और चीज़ें भी आप करें ना. You have to have a balance. Doesn't mean why do you have to cut off your entire khandan to go to the spa? Like, you know, why are these two things like so extreme?
There's no gray area.
Yeah, I'll tell you one thing. One thing I do, I think I love that. You know, sometimes, you know, I'm like, I love myself sometimes. It's like, you know, we need to have, you know, Allah's made us very special. हमारी इतनी self-esteem issues है ना, that हम लोग सबके, we listen to other people's analysis and judgments of us. And that's not okay, right? And I'm not talking about an arrogant way, you know? Without being arrogant, आपको पता है आप जब arrogant हो रहे हैं, right? So sometimes I'm like, and the way you can tell if you want to protect yourself from being arrogant is just automatically, like immediately, just remind yourself that it's from Allah. Even this amazing idea is from Allah, right?
Yeah, that's very humbling. Like keep yourself grounded.
हाँ, exactly.
कि मेरा कोई कमाल नहीं.
Yeah, so like one cool thing I would like really recommend is how like we have malish walis, right, who come. So when I want to, like, instead of giving too many gifts, like for example मैं खाला को दो खाला को बुला लिया हमने खाला आए मालिश वाली आ रही है, I will pay for it, right? That's my way
amazing.
of so it's like be creative in your life, be creative with everything. अगर आपका वो बात है ना जुम्मे को हर बंदा बिरयानी बनाता है, like is it working for your family? Right? So
हम Thursday को बना रहे हैं.
It smells amazing by the way right now.